board can approve a temporary reduction or a temporary fee until it can go through the fee process. If it's not been addressed previously during the fee process. And as for the one-day reductions or that type of thing, the board can give that authority for those temporary one-time type events outside of the normal fee process. And that's why we ask for this not to exceed 6 months, because then we can put this other piece on the fee structure. But currently it's not addressed at all.
Are we anticipating any adjustments in fees in here?
I would anticipate that we probably would be looking at a few of them for budget purposes. Typically we do look at that. We may not have any, I don't know. And the board could renew this at that time if we don't have any.
Public health is the big one. It has got a lot of fee structure. Planning is going to be for the year. My only thought is we could extend this for a temporary thing for a year. It's pretty small and it's a reduction, so not really. I think it's a good thing that we just address it a year from now. Getting it into the schedule.
Right.
Yeah. Because otherwise in June or July we're going to have to do another one of these to do a temporary extension.
Yeah, typically we tie it to the budget. That's just why we looked at the
And if
fiscal
we did it mid-year, that's fine.
Yeah.
That's all in my record.
Is that okay, 6 months?
Absolutely.
Sure. The big thing is, I want you to know, I don't mind at all being held accountable to my commissioner liaison. I should be held accountable for the decisions that I make for the shelter, which is why I wrote it into the recommendation.
Well, I think this is a good plan.
Yeah, on the idea, there's got to be some kind of situation that allows for an increase of all of a sudden, instead of